everyone, this is Devjani from the Beautiful Us. We all are beautiful in our own way, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to share this look here, and I have created this look for the coming Navratri season. And as I am a Bengali, so I am going to dedicate this look for the day of Saptami, that is the 7th day of Navratri. If you are interested in this look, then please keep on watching. And before going to the actual video, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing, hit to that notification bell so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. And you can also follow me on my social medias. I'll give all the links to the screen and as well as in the description box. Do check out, and thank you so much for watching.
So for foundation, I'm going to use Fit Me from Maybelline. I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. And for the concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and applying to my usual places, and also going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. I'm also using this concealer as an eyelid primer. Now for setting the concealer, I'm going to use Miss Clear translucent powder. Now with this shade from Morphe palette, I'm going to bake my concealed places. For the eye makeup, with this shade from Morphe palette, I'm going to place the color all over my eyelid. I'm going to blend it with a fluffy brush. I'm also going to take this color to my lower lash area. Now with this Maybelline gel eyeliner, I'm going to draw a rough line. Then with a pencil brush, I'm going to blend this color for the smoky effect. And again I'm going to draw a liner. The same thing I'm doing to my lower lash line area. Cleaning some extra things. Now going to highlight my brow bone area and inner corner. Now for mascara, I'm using my favorite Maybelline mascara. I have applied false eyelashes from PAC. For contouring, I'm going to use Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm going to contour my cheeks and nose area. Here I'm not going to use any blush. For highlighter, I'm taking a highlighting shade from Morphe palette. And now for lips, I'm going to take Inside Cosmetics brown color. It's a beautiful earthy color. Now at last, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild fixing spray. So my look is complete. I have paired some pearl jewelry with it. So how do you like this look? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.